The St. Jude Hospital recently took the initiative to improve access to life-saving and digital breast screening for people in the south of the island by unveiling its mammography services. The radiology department at the St. Jude Hospital is now equipped with a modern and advanced mammography machine used to detect breast cancer early. This new state-of-the-art equipment was made possible by the Project Implementation Unit within the Ministry of Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs through its Health System Strengthening Project, HSSP. Project Coordinator of the Health System Strengthening Project, Gina Hughes, who proudly handed over the mammography machine, emphasized on the collaboration with the Office of the Chief Medical Officer to make the provision of mammography services possible, given the burden of breast cancer in St. Lucia.
We are assured that the impact of this machine will be experienced over a much longer period by the clients who will be accessing breast cancer screening services at the St. Jude Hospital. This is indeed a fitting gift to the hospital directly, but indirectly to all women and their families in celebration of International Women's Day, particularly the women of the South.
Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Health, Jenny Daniel, says she is very pleased with the investment of the equipment and says this symbolizes the commitment to continue strengthening the health system.
This whole idea is in keeping with the ministry's thrust towards universal health coverage, which speaks towards accessibility to healthcare services, quality healthcare services, as well as affordability. And of course, if you bring a mammography machine and you establish it in the south of the island at the hospital that persons in the south of the island utilize, it means that you are increasing the access to this service and you are also improving affordability in that they do not have to take the necessary transportation, buses and so on to get to the location of the equipment.
Speaking at the event, Chief Executive Officer of the St. Jude Hospital, Lydia Atkins, expressed heartfelt gratitude for the mammography machine and says it is more than just a piece of equipment, but a symbol of hope, progress, and the power of collaboration.
This mammography machine will be utilized to its fullest potential at St. Jude Hospital, and it will serve as a cornerstone of our breast cancer screening program, offering the women in our community access to early detection services that are able to save lives. Our dedicated team of healthcare professionals will ensure that every patient receives the highest standard of care from the moment they walk through our doors to the delivery of their results. This machine will not only improve diagnostic accuracy, but also enhance patient comfort, making the screening process as seamless and stress-free as possible.
Minister for Health, the Honorable Moses Jabatis, emphasized that the launch of mammography services at St. Jude Hospital is another step in the forward movement to attain universal health coverage.
We are trying to build networks, as Dr. King said. We are trying to strengthen partnerships, strengthen relationships among the public and private sector. We are trying to ensure that the very simple objective and simple notion of increasing the quality of healthcare in St. Lucia receives energy, receives the kind of encouragement which must come from the policymakers.
Screening for breast cancer is now available at the St. Jude Hospital and will be offered at a reduced cost of $125 during the months of March and April. Reporting from the Project Implementation Unit within the Ministry of Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs, I am Fernal Neptune.